I tried Melt and Pour Loofah Turmeric Soap. My bedroom will never be the same. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are about to get clean, like emotionally, physically, and spiritually clean. Because I'm making Melt and Pour Loofah Turmeric Soap. Yes, exfoliating, glowing kind of soap, right? And listen, if this soap doesn't remove my bad decision from 2020, I want a refund. You know those people that come out of the bedroom growing like they just signed a skincare deal? Yeah, today we are becoming that person. Do you see how beautiful this soap looks? So this particular soap scrub your sins away, brighten your skin, and might even make your enemies very uncomfortable. Stay till the end because I'm going to show you how to make it and how you can actually maybe sell it, right? If you want to start it up as a business, start by using a melt and pour, which is our goat milk soap base. That is exactly what we use. Microwave it or double boil it if you want to melt it. And this particular one is our loofah, right? Remember what we are doing is turmeric and loofah soap, right? Then if you are melting it, please don't walk away because soap burn faster than your last relationship. Now grab your loofah, cut it into round slice that fits your mold. Like you are seeing this, I want to kind of use this water to soften it. This is the part where you realize, this soap is not here to play, because once this touches your skin, dead skin cell will start packing their bags immediately. Place each loofah inside your mold, right? But you still see that when I will do that, I just try to soften it a bit so that it will fit in properly. You can still do so for yourself, right? So this is the loofah, and what I will do is to set it aside. Now turmeric, be careful here, this is not jollof rice, so you don't need it plenty, because if you put it plenty, it's going to stain your skin or even stain your toilet, right? So all we are going to do is to get a little water to pour it inside to use to melt this turmeric. If you watch this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Like and subscribe and share this video. So I want to turn this part, like this turmeric, I want to melt it very well, right? You can decide to put it inside your melted soap base, but I love to melt it differently for everything to melt before I pour it inside my soap, my melted soap base. So, and that is exactly what I am doing. If you want us to coach you to, if you want to venture into laundry soap making, particularly laundry soap, liquid soap, if you want to start it as a business, we are here to guide you, right? We have classes on laundry soap, liquid soap, skincare class, skincare ebooks, and all that. And we are going to hold your hands till you're perfect, right? We also sell soap making equipment like soap making cutter, table cutter, mini cutter, soap molds, and all that, and some of soaping equipment, soaping ingredients, particularly oil, PK oil, tallow oil, we sell that. You can contact me on the number on the screen so that we can do business. Don't call me, just chat me on WhatsApp so that we can take it up from there. And this is honey. I want to add honey. Honey is very good for moisturization. It's for also hydration, acne control, antibacterial. It has so many benefits. It's also a gentle exfoliant, right? It also soothes, has a soothing properties like reducing redness and irritation, support skin repair, and suitable for sensitive and damaged skin. So honey has a lot of benefits. And now we also want to add aloe vera gel. It's very, very good for skin, for anti-aging support, so many of them. So you can see that this particular soap is rich in. So if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. And now this part is different. This is a turmeric. We melted our turmeric, our honey, our aloe vera gel is inside here. You can as well want to put it inside your melted soap, but we dissolve it differently, separately, so that you will see what we are adding. For turmeric, it doesn't really have measurement, right? This is just a simple DIY you can try for yourself, and this is vitamin E that you will use for it. For this vitamin E helps in the moisturization, strengthen the skin barrier and reduce dryness. It fights scars and dark spots, supports skin repair and even skin tone, neutralize free radicals that cause wrinkles and fine lines. It has so many benefits like soothing irritation, helpful for eczema, sunburn and sensitive skin. It also boosts glow, improve your skin texture and softness. So vitamin E for me is a must in all my skincare products, right? So this is our melted goat milk soap base. That is exactly what we use, right? So what we are going to do is to now pour this turmeric mixture, both honey, vitamin E and all that inside this mixture and turn it very well, right? So you make sure you mix everything together just like you are seeing me doing, right? You mix everything together, take your time. Before I forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up to this point, you can do so. So at this point, if your soap base is kind of getting thicker in your hand and you haven't poured it inside your mold, you can remelt it, right? You can remelt it. You can place it on your double boiler and then remelt it so that it will be in liquid form, so that if you pour it, it will come out smooth and beautiful. So at this particular time, we fit our loafers inside our soap mold, right? We fit our loafers inside the soap mold, then we'll now pour our soap gradually inside this silicone mold. For example, if you want to buy this silicone mold, if you want to buy this spatula, we sell it. Chat me on the number on the screen so that we can get your soaping equipment for you. We sell it, right? Just chat me on WhatsApp, right? If you want to register for our online classes, laundry soap, liquid soap, skincare, hair care classes, we have it. Just contact me. If you want to start it as a business, if you want to make it as a professional, we have classes for that. So you pour it into the mold over the loafers. Take your time, right? Don't rush. This is not a race, this is act. So making is a act. I always tell people. So after you pour your soap, this is melt and pour, and this is kind of soap you have to use that same day after making this soap, because this is already made soap, right? You just melted it and add addictive. If it is soaps like cold processed soap, you need to allow it to cure for 4 to 6 weeks before you start using, especially for bathing, right? So at this point, we'll wait for like 4 hours, right? And our soap has solidified, and you see the beauty. The beauty is clear, very, very beautiful. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. This is how you make your melt and pour loofah turmeric soap. If you enjoy this video, like, subscribe and comment glow up if you are ready to upgrade your skincare game. And if you try this, please don't blame me when your skin starts shining like your future. See you in my next video, right? Thank you so much. Thank you, Crystal DIY family. Thank you. We also have a free